What if I told you that 5 products, none of them costing more than $12, could make your BMW turbocharged engine feel like it just rolled off the factory floor in Munich? Not a rebuild, not a $3,000 dealer service, not some snake oil miracle product from an infomercial. 5 specific proven products that BMW mechanics and enthusiasts have been quietly using for years to clean, protect, and restore turbocharged engines on the N54, N55, and B58. The engines powering millions of 3 Series, 5 Series, X3s, and X5s on the road right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these products are, how to use them correctly on your specific BMW engine, and why using them in the wrong order, or skipping even one, leaves results on the table. Let's get into it. Product number 1. Seafoam Motor Treatment, $8 to $10. If there is one product every BMW turbocharged engine owner should have in their garage, this is it. Seafoam has been around since 1942. It is petroleum-based, which means it is completely safe for every internal engine component. Seals, gaskets, sensors, catalytic converters, everything. Here's what it actually does inside your N54, N55, or B58. Over time, especially on turbocharged engines that run hot, your engine oil breaks down and leaves behind deposits. Varnish, sludge, carbon buildup on your pistons, rings, and oil passages. These deposits restrict oil flow to critical components, increase friction, and rob your engine of power and efficiency. Seafoam dissolves those deposits. It reliquefies the sludge and flushes it out during your oil change. Here's how to use it correctly on your BMW. Add 1/3 of the can, roughly 4 ounces, directly into your oil filler cap approximately 150 to 200 miles before your next oil change. Do not add the full can at once. BMW turbocharged engines have high tolerances, and flooding the system with too much solvent at one time can dislodge large deposits that clog oil passages. Small doses work safely and effectively. Drive normally for those 150 to 200 miles. The seafoam circulates through your entire lubrication system, loosening deposits that have built up over thousands of miles. Then, change your oil. You will notice the used oil is darker than usual. That is the dissolved sludge coming out. That is exactly what you want. Do this every other oil change, and your oil passages, piston pings, and lifters will stay significantly cleaner over the life of the engine. On high mileage, N54s and N55s especially, engines known for sludge buildup and owners who follow BMW's extended 15,000-mile oil change intervals, this product is not optional. It is essential maintenance. Product number 2. Chevron Techron Fuel System Cleaner, $10 to $12. Your BMW's fuel injectors are engineering marvels. The N55 and B58 use direct injection, meaning fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber at extremely high pressure. This system delivers incredible efficiency and power. But it comes with a well-documented problem: carbon buildup on intake valves. Because direct injection bypasses the intake ports entirely, the detergents in your fuel never wash over the intake valves. Over time, typically starting around 40,000 to 60,000 miles, carbon deposits accumulate on those valves, restricting airflow, causing rough idle, misfires, and noticeable power loss. Techron cannot remove heavy carbon buildup on intake valves. That requires walnut blasting, a separate procedure. But what Techron does exceptionally well is clean your fuel injectors, fuel lines, and combustion chamber deposits. Clean injectors mean better fuel atomization, more complete combustion, and a noticeable improvement in throttle response and fuel economy. How to use it on your BMW. Add 1 full bottle to a near empty fuel tank, under a quarter tank, then fill up immediately after. This creates the correct concentration ratio for BMW's fuel system. Do this every 5,000 miles as preventative maintenance. On the N54 specifically, BMW's twin turbocharged engine used in the 135i, 335i, and 535i. Techron is particularly effective because the N54 uses port injection alongside direct injection. This means Techron's detergents actually reach the intake valves and clean them, making it even more beneficial than on pure direct injection engines. One bottle every 5,000 miles. That is literally a $10 to $12 investment that protects a fuel system worth thousands of dollars to replace. Product number 3, WD-40 Specialist Throttle Body and Carb Cleaner, $6 to $8. Your throttle body is the gateway between your air intake and your engine. On BMW turbocharged engines, the throttle body controls exactly how much air enters the combustion chamber. When it gets dirty, and it absolutely will over time, your engine management system has to compensate with incorrect fuel trims, causing rough idle, hesitation on acceleration, and reduced fuel efficiency. On the N54, N55, and B58, a dirty throttle body is one of the most common causes of that frustrating rough idle that BMW owners experience, especially on cold starts. And here's the thing. BMW dealers charge $150 to $250 just to clean your throttle body. This product does it for $6. How to do it correctly on your BMW. First, and this is critical, do not spray cleaner directly into a running engine. Disconnect your intake boot from the throttle body. You will see the throttle plate, a round butterfly valve, inside. Spray the cleaner onto a clean microfiber cloth and wipe the throttle plate and bore thoroughly. Then use a controlled short burst of cleaner directly onto the plate for stubborn deposits. Do not use carb cleaner on your mass airflow sensor or oxygen sensors. Keep it localized to the throttle body only. After cleaning, reconnect everything and perform a throttle body adaptation reset using a BMW specific scan tool or the free BMW coding apps available for smartphones. This recalibrates your throttle position sensor to the newly clean throttle body. Do this every 30,000 miles, and your idle quality, throttle response, and fuel trims will stay optimized. Takes 20 minutes, costs $6, replaces a $200 dealer service. Product number 4, Lucas Oil Stabilizer, $7 to $10. BMW turbocharged engines, the N54 in particular, are notorious for one specific issue that has frustrated owners for over a decade: oil consumption. Some N54 engines consume up to 1 quart of oil every 1,000 miles, which BMW infamously classified as normal for years. The root cause is worn piston rings and valve stem seals that allow oil to pass into the combustion chamber and burn off. Lucas Oil Stabilizer does not fix worn rings. Nothing short of a rebuild does that. But what it does is dramatically reduce oil consumption by increasing oil viscosity and film strength, creating a thicker protective barrier on cylinder walls and valve stems. The result? Less oil burning, less oil consumption between changes, and reduced wear on already stressed components. How to use it on your BMW. Replace 20% of your total oil capacity with Lucas Oil Stabilizer during your oil change. For most BMW turbocharged engines with a 6 to 7 quart capacity, that means adding roughly 1.5 quarts of Lucas in place of your regular oil. Use this in combination with a quality full synthetic 5W30 or 0W30 oil, whatever your specific engine calls for. Do not use Lucas as a standalone oil or exceed the 20% ratio. Too much increases viscosity beyond what your oil pump is designed to handle efficiently. On high mileage N55s and B58s, Lucas also reduces the valve train noise, that characteristic ticking sound that develops as engines age, almost immediately. Many owners report noticeably quieter engines within the first 500 miles of using it. At $7 to $10, Lucas Oil Stabilizer is one of the highest return investments you can make in a high-mileage BMW turbocharged engine. Product 5. CRC Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner, $7 to $9. This last product is the most overlooked on this list, and it might be the one making the single biggest difference in how your BMW drives day to day. Your mass airflow sensor, the MAF sensor, measures exactly how much air is entering your engine and sends that data to your ECU. Your ECU uses this data to calculate the precise amount of fuel to inject. When your MAF sensor is dirty, it sends inaccurate readings. Your ECU injects the wrong amount of fuel. Your engine runs rich or lean. You experience hesitation, poor fuel economy, rough idle, and reduced power. On BMW turbocharged engines, the MAF sensor is particularly vulnerable because the turbocharger focuses large volumes of air through the intake at high velocity, carrying microscopic oil particles and debris that coat the sensor's delicate hot wire elements over time. BMW dealers replace MAF sensors at $200 to $400. In many cases, a $7 can of CRC MAF cleaner fixes the exact same symptoms in 5 minutes. How to do it correctly. Locate your MAF sensor. It sits in the intake pipe between your air filter and throttle body. Disconnect the electrical connector. Remove the sensor. Spray 10 to 15 short bursts of CRC MAF cleaner directly onto the sensing elements. Do not touch the elements with any cloth or brush. Do not use any other cleaner. Only dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. The elements are extremely fragile. Allow the sensor to air dry completely, minimum 15 minutes, before reinstalling. Reconnect and start your engine. In most cases, the rough idle and hesitation disappear immediately. Do this every 20,000 to 30,000 miles as preventative maintenance. On the N54, N55, and B58, a clean MAF sensor keeps your fuel trims in the correct range and ensures your turbocharger is working with accurate air measurement data. Critical for engine longevity and performance. 5 products, under $50 total, and when used correctly and consistently, they address the most 5 common causes of premature wear, rough running, and power loss in BMW turbocharged engines. You do not need a $200 service appointment for any of these. You need 45 minutes, a clean garage, and less than $50 in products from any auto parts store. The BMW owners who keep their turbocharged engines running strong past 200,000 miles are not doing anything magical. They are doing basic, consistent, inexpensive maintenance that most owners skip because nobody told them it existed. Now you know. If this saved you money or helped you understand your BMW better, hit that subscribe button. Every week I break down real BMW maintenance, reliability, and performance information that dealers and mechanics don't advertise. Drop a comment below. Tell me which engine you're running and how many miles you have on it. I read every single one. See you in the next one.